Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will be learning how to balance redox reactions. This video is part of a series in which I review some basic concepts in chemistry. This is the second part of my redox reaction video. By now you should be familiar with what a redox reaction is. But knowing what it is not enough. We will now practice balancing a redox reaction. This is a standard redox reaction, now let's try balancing it. The first thing you always do when balancing a redox reaction is write down the two half reactions. So you write down the oxidation and the reduction part of the reaction separately. After that, you balance the elements the same way as you normally do with a reaction. In this case, the sodium is already balanced and we only have to balance the chlorine. The third step is making the charges equal on both sides of the reaction by adding electrons. Then make sure that the oxidation part of the reaction loses as many electrons as the reduction gains. In this case, we should multiply the oxidation part by 2 to make it equal. Now all you have to do is merge the two half reactions and cancel out the electrons and you're done. This shouldn't give you too much trouble, but it can get much more difficult if molecules of solvent are involved. Then the hydrogen and oxygen from water can participate in the reaction. Now I will teach you how to balance redox reactions considering acidic and basic conditions. The first thing you do is as usual create half reactions. Now the next thing you do is balance the elements except oxygen and hydrogen. Only after balancing the other elements, you can balance oxygen by adding water. After adding water you can add hydrogen ions to balance the hydrogen. Make sure to follow these steps in the correct order, or else it won't work. After doing that you balance the charges by adding electrons and then merge the half reactions. And finally, you cancel the electrons out. Now you have a balanced redox reaction under acidic conditions. But under basic conditions, there is one last step. That is adding hydroxide ions for every hydrogen ion on both sides. The hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions will then merge to form water. This is because hydrogen ions can't be present under basic conditions. They are only present in acidic ones. Then all you have to do is cancel out the water and you're done.